A lamp is connected in the circuit as shown. The cell has negligible internal resistance. In 30 seconds, this is for the time, the charge passing through the point P is 0.4. This is Q. So we have Q and the time. Which of the following gives the energy in joules transferred by the cell during this time? What kind of energy from the chemical energy stored inside into the electrical energy when it reaches the point P? The formula, it's, you might say we have two formula, but one for the power. So the power, it's work over time, but I don't want this formula. I need the formula which is the work equals, or the energy, it's V times Q. The voltage here, which is 1.5 times the Q, which is 0.4. But the examiner give me the value of the time. Here I'm not going to use the time. I'm using the time only for the calculation of power. So the work done, it's 1.5 times 0.4 divided by the time, which is 30. This one for the power, okay, and the W 1.5 times 0.4, this one for the energy, which is in joule. Do not be confused. And the correct answer for the energy in joule is B. See you next video.